Kamarugis Quirino. Thank you so much, Ma'am Kiara Cati Bulayo and Sir John Rick Carino in your standing love inviting us. So we are here today to show and witness your happy married wedding celebrations. Are you ready, guys? Okay, good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here to celebrate this special day. Today we are here to share the joy and love of beautiful new beginning. Our couple has just said I do, and now it's time to welcome them as husband and wife. May I ask everyone to please stand, okay? Please stand and share the best smile. Presenting you the bride and groom of the day. Please welcome Ma'am Kiara and Sir Charlie in their energetic entrance dance version. Let's give one a round of applause music. Tumakdan tayo aming kakapsan. May we go on Minda ba to lead the opening prayer before po natin i-start or i-proceed ang program sa oras na ito. Ma'am Minda.
And this is my face.
Okay, we will go on Ma'am Minda to lead opening prayer. Saan po siya?